Hi viewers, welcome to Tech Insight Pro. Today we are learning how to remove green screen from your video background. So let's start it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, go to your Camtasia video editor and import your green screen background video file. Then go to modify. Then add effect, then virtual effect, then remove color, and you find your right side background color palette. What background on your background, green, black, blue, etc, etc. Which background you need to change, need to delete. Here is the green, so I am draw from green color from a video and remove the color. This is the easy system for Camtasia editor. If you want to change background color manually, like red, green, black, yellow, or etc, it's your choice. So I think you are listen. So I think you understand how to change green background from your videos, or how to add an image or another attachment in the background add on your video. Let's see.